Hello students. Now in this video we are going to complete the exercise 1H slab 1. We remember slab 2 is not in your syllabus, so no need to solve that one. You have to solve only slab 1. Now question number 5. 5 is your proof that means you have to prove now. So first question, see here, root 1 by 4 plus 0.01 minus 1 by 2 minus 27 2 by 3 equal to 3 by 2. So in question bracket is not given, but you can use bracket according to your convenience, because whenever we use the bracket it is very easy to represent the power. So first you take here left hand side. Left hand side is equal to root over 1 by 4 plus 0.01 minus 1 by 2 minus 27 2 by 3. Now this one will be your, if you write in the power exponent, root is the root. If you want to express root in a power, then the power is your 1 by 2. So we can write this one as a 1 by 4 and power is 1 by 2. And here this one will be change in the fraction decimal, 1 by 100 minus 1 by 2, then 27, write the prime factorization of the 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so 3 cube, 2 by 3. Now this one 1 by, this is 2 square because 2 2s are 4 and the power is your 1 by 2 plus 1 by 100 means 10 square minus 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 by 3. Now you have to use the formula number 2. See, this one is your 1 by 2 square 1 by 2. So I can write this one as a 2 square. Now this denominator I made as a numerator, means I am reciprocaling the fraction. If you reciprocal, then the power will be negative. Means if the negative power you are reciprocaling, then it will be positive. If positive power you are reciprocaling, then that one will be negative. So here it is a positive power we are reciprocaling here. So positive power becomes negative. Plus now 10 square. If you want to write 10 square here, it means now the power, this is the negative power. So negative power becomes positive, 1 by 2 minus 3. Now these 3 get cancelled. This is 3 square. Now solve the power. 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 10, 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3 square. So this one 2 get cancelled. So 2 minus 1 plus 10, 2 get cancelled. So 10 power 1, 3 into 3 will be 9. Now this is negative power. If you reciprocal it, it will be 1 by 2 plus 10 minus 9. So 1 by 2 plus 10 minus 9 will be your 1. If you solve, it is LCM 2, 1 plus 2. This is equal to 3 by 2, which is equal to right hand side. So we can write this one as a hence proved. Now see the next one. Left hand side. Take the left hand side. 2 power n plus 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1 minus 2n. See the step here carefully. 2n, write as it is. Plus, now this one you have to split into two terms. Like this, see here. 2, first write on the power n dot 2 minus 1. 2n minus 1 we can write in terms of 2n dot 2 minus 1. Dot means multiply. Now similarly you take this one 2 power n dot 2 1 minus 2n. So you have to know how to write this 2 sum of 2n dot 2 minus 1. Very easy. Just see again. 2n minus 1 we can write as a 2n dot 2 minus 1. 2n plus 1 we can write as 2n dot 2 power 1. Now, in the numerator, if you see what is common, 2n is the common. So, if you write the 2n here, so it will be 1 plus 2 minus 1. And here in denominator again 2n is common, 2 minus 1. So, this 2 and 2n get cancelled. Here 1 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now 1 plus 2 minus 1, 1 plus, now this is a negative power. Yes, you have to do the positive by reciprocaling. So 1 by 2, simple. Now this one will be, solve it. LCM will be 2, 2 plus 1. This one will be 3 by 2, which is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Now see number 3, left hand side is equal to 9, 3 by 2 minus 3 into 5 naught minus 1 by 81 minus 1 by 2. So this one prime factorization 3 square into, what is the power? 3 by 2 minus 3 into 5 0. Use this one. A power 0 will be 1. So this value will be 1. This is negative power. Make it positive by reciprocaling. So this is 81 and now power becomes 1 by 2. So cut this 2 to this one will be 3 cube minus 3 minus 81 will be 9 square 1 by 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3 minus 9 into 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So 27 minus 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 7 minus 2 will be 5. 2 minus 1 will be 1. It is 15 and it is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So simply you have to use these 5 formulas. Now again see the last one, number 4, left hand side is equal, see here the power is given in the question but bracket is not given. So you can use the bracket here, 3 by 8 bracket, 3 by 2 bracket and minus 1 by 3 bracket. So left hand side is equal to 0.6 power 0 minus 0.1 minus 1 by 3 by 8 minus 1, 3 by 2 cube plus minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So 0.6 power is 0. Which formula? Number 1. That is a power 0 equal to 1. So this value will be 1 minus 0.1 negative power. If you want to make it positive, then what you have to write here? 1 by 0.1 and the power will be positive. Next, this is negative power. Again make it positive. Just reciprocally 3 by 8 becomes 8 by 3. If you write 8 by 3, now power is your plus 1 and here this one will be 3 by 2 cube plus, now again see here minus 1 by 3 and power is minus 1. If you want to make this one as a positive power, then it becomes minus 3 and power will be plus 1. Now solve it. 1 minus, now this one will be your, we can write, if you change the decimal, 1 minus 10 by, this one will be 8 by 3 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 8 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Plus minus 3. So this one will be minus 3 because power is 1. 1 minus 10 minus 9. Here 9 minus 3. So this is minus 9 by 6. Now 3 3s are 9. Then 3 2s are 6. This is minus 3 by 2 which is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So here I proved all the questions for you. Your work is you have to do this one again neatly in your maths copy. And please practice all these questions at least 2 times. These questions are very important for your exam. Thank you.